1956 Ford 100, limited edition, Norman Rockwell. Series 2, wonderful casting. Seller only sent me one piece of this, only this, except of all 6. But Amazon done money back for this order. It's nice. So I get this car for free. The next one. What we have here? We have here Auto Trucks collection from M2. Nice. Open doors. Oh, so nice evacuator. Very nice truck. What does we have got next? Another one truck by Ford. Series. Another one evacuator. Also open door system. And I see open hood system also here. Very nice evacuator. Oh, that's wonderful. Not a case one. Interesting truck. Very good details. Next. Dodge truck. (1966). Nice. Nice one. Looking very terrific. Auto Trucks collection from M2. Also not a case car, but looking wonderful. I love this. Oh, we have this wonderful. Oh, what the? They send me 2 Fords. Nice. That's newer. That's older. Very nice. Also not a case car, but looking very wonderful. American Road. Radio equipped. Nice one truck. I love this casting also. Wow. We need to get some snow for this truck. Wonderful casting. It's 4 of them. So what do we have next? Oh, that's one of the best from all of this collection. Volkswagen T1 evacuator. Looking very wonderful. It's a lowrider. It's look like a lowrider truck. Also evacuation unit. Not a case, but it's so amazing. Very nice. For the last, we have this wonderful yellow Ford 24 hours emergency service. 1970 Ford C600 tow truck. Nice one. Not a case also. A simple truck. But this casting is amazing. Write in the comments, do you like these trucks, guys? Do you have any evacuator truck in your collection from M2? This green light, King of Crunch monster truck. This truck is also from 6 monster trucks collection, but seller also sent me only 1 truck, and I get a refund for this. So it cost me about $3 for this. Contains worst thing, I didn't get all 6 of these trucks. This one is Ford 350 Bigfoot 1978. Nice one, Bigfoot. Really love this monster truck casting. We should make a racing between monster cars, I think, later on the Hot Wheels track. Very good details. I love this green light collection. It's Series 5. Nice one. So that's all for today. That's all from Amazon mail calling. I got this package from Amazon. So delivery was from the United States. I got all of these trucks. They're so wonderful, so interesting. I hope you guys enjoy this content, like me. Of course, later I will make reviews for these trucks, for these castings. So wait for my videos, reviews for these trucks and for these diecast cars. Bye bye, see you later. It was the Wheels Hot channel.